Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Hello Kitty Christmas squishy. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a block of slow-rising foam, ideally about 4 inches by 4 inches, some fabric paint in white, red, green, and black, and a Hello Kitty stencil. Don't forget a pair of sharp scissors, a small paintbrush, and a non-toxic sealant. Lay down some newspaper to keep your area clean, and let's get started on this fun craft. Now that you have your materials, it's time to shape our squishy. Place your Hello Kitty stencil onto the foam block and carefully trace around it with a pencil. Once traced, use your sharp scissors to cut out the shape. Take your time to ensure clean, smooth edges. You can gently round off any corners to give it that classic squishy feel. This step is crucial for the final look, so be precise and patient. With your Hello Kitty shape ready, let's bring her to life with color. Start by applying an even base coat of white fabric paint over the entire squishy. Let this dry completely, which usually takes about 2 hours. Once dry, use red paint for her iconic bow, adding small green holly leaves for that festive Christmas vibe. Then, with a very fine brush, carefully paint her black eyes, yellow nose, and delicate whiskers. Almost done. The final step is to seal and cure your beautiful Hello Kitty squishy. Apply a thin, even layer of non-toxic sealant over all the painted areas. This will protect your design and give it a nice finish. It's important to let the sealant cure fully, which can take up to 24 hours in a well-ventilated space. Resist the urge to touch it during this time. Once completely dry, your adorable Christmas squishy is ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.